We manufacture hi-fi equipment. We're best known for turntables, so vinyl playing, but we also make a full range of loudspeakers, amplifiers, CD players and a few accessories, cables and things. We needed a manufacturing solution. The initial reason was because we were running out of parts, fundamentally, and that was significantly affecting our cash flow. The other issues were the complexity of the stock and the way we bought parts, because we handle a lot of the subcontract work ourselves, so that added extra complexity to using Excel for stock control, as I was attempting to do before. We chose FactoryMaster for several reasons, but we like the approach of the company, the people in it, and significantly the fact that more than open to modifications, appreciating there's so much complexity of these systems, you can't possibly have one system that does everything. Although it does seem to do loads of things. The first day we hit MRP, you can immediately see our cash flow improving, which stands out quite a lot actually, and if you look at the graphs. And we're at the point, we're 3 years on now, where we all look at each other a bit nervously because we don't really have many parts problems, which is a bit strange. The significant thing that's helped our business is it's made us be able to grow. We're now 50% bigger than we were, 100% bigger than we were sort of 5-6 years ago. That would have been impossible without FactoryMaster.